Introducing emmi-dent, the revolution in dental hygiene. Cleans your teeth and mouth with ultrasound and our nano-bubble toothpaste. Just hold the brush head to the teeth without brushing, and billions of super small bubbles will implode and clean away plaque and bacteria. The super small bubbles creep into the smallest crevice and clean away discoloration from coffee, wine, nicotine, and food, which whitens your teeth. Ultrasound cleans where no bristle can reach. It cleans deep inside the tissue too. Since bacteria is killed, inflammation and other problems will vanish. Bacteria is the reason for most dental problems. Since ultrasound penetrates the gums and kills bacteria in the tissue, it protects your implants and the roots of your teeth. After cleaning with emmi-dent, you have a fresh feeling for up to 12 hours. Your breath will be fresh, and your teeth will feel like new.